Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing a really easy and simple Dollar Tree DIY for spring. So it's a centerpiece idea that I came up with. I was actually in my local Home Sense a few weeks back and saw a really beautiful centerpiece, but it was around $50, and I loved all the flowers, and it had like a glass votive in there, and I just loved the tray, and they had flowers all around. And then immediately I thought, well, maybe I could try and recreate that, getting items from Dollar Tree, which is, my Dollar Tree is $1.25 and under, and seeing if I can recreate this centerpiece. Now, when I went back a couple days later because I was going to take a photo of it. They didn't have, there was two of them and they were both gone. So obviously I wasn't the only one that loved them. So I was a little disappointed. So I will try and insert a photo if I can find something similar on Pinterest of what my inspiration was. So this isn't going to look obviously exactly the same. And I was a bit frustrated because the vision I had isn't exactly how it came together, but I'm still pleased and happy with what how it turned out. I had hoped to have a little bit of a smaller budget to keep it under $10, but it just didn't work out. It was a little bit higher than that, but it's still less expensive than the one that I found at Home Sense. So I'm going to recreate this centerpiece and hope it gives you some inspiration that to shop at your local dollar store to find things to do something similar. And if you do, please tag me on Instagram and let me know that you've recreated something similar. I would love to see. I always enjoy when people tag me. That's the best way for me to see something that you want me specifically to know that you've done or whatever. And whatever it is to tag me, just because I can't keep up with, you know, everyone's posts and whatnot. So I hope that you enjoy the video and enjoy seeing what I've come up with for inspiration for spring, as I'm really excited for that, and how I was able to incorporate that and do up this simple DIY. So I got all my materials from Dollar Tree, and I got a few different flowers, and I paid $1.25 for each of the flowers. So I ended up getting 5 bundles of these really pretty petunias, and then I also picked up 4 bundles of these, I'm not going to be pronouncing it right, but it's called, I think it's Alstroemeria. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I really like the pattern that was on the petals of the flowers. And then I just picked up a couple bundles of these really cute pussy willows. And then I just picked up this basket. I wanted a bit of a darker color, but they didn't have any. And then this is my glass vase that I had already. I didn't have to purchase that. And what I'm doing is I'm going to center position my vase where I want it to be. Now, for purposes of this video, I'm not going to glue anything down, but I would suggest if you're going to make this for yourself or you're going to make them for other people, I would glue everything down in place. That's just my own opinion, but for purposes of this, I'm not going to glue anything down because I don't feel I need to for where I am placing it at this point. And what I did is I trimmed all of the flowers to the last notch that was on, just to shorten it. Now you could remove all the flowers, but I'm trying to make this as easy as possible, and I'm keeping the leaves and the stems and everything in place because I want it as full as I can get. And as I said, I would glue at the bottom everything in place to the tray, but I'm not doing that. I think it'll be just fine without. And then I'm just going to arrange and alternate the petunias with the Alstroemerias and just go around the actual tray and just kind of make it how I want it to look. Really, I want this as full as possible, and you could buy so many more flowers or do whatever you would like, but I kind of like the combination of these two flowers. I think they're just really pretty together and go well with spring, and even through till summer you could utilize this for as well. once I have the flowers kind of how I want them arranged, then what I did is I cut the pussy willows, I shortened them as well as I cut them into more individual pieces. And again, you can go ahead and glue them down if you'd like, but I'm just going to kind of insert them throughout the arrangement. And I really thought these were adorable and would add just something spring to the arrangement and the centerpiece. I saw them and thought these were absolutely adorable, and you could put these in, you could add other items, baby's breath, whatever you want. I just saw these and thought they were really super cute because they had the little leaves and the little fuzzy pussy willows on there. And you are done your centerpiece. Now, to make it kind of more spring or summer or however every day, you can just put a candle. And I put this really nice scented one, and I'm not going to light it in this vase because of the silk faux flowers. But to take it up a notch, I found these beautiful little LED lights from Dollar Tree. I've seen these same similar ones at Pier 1 for only $1.25, and they're battery operated. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I thought I would just kind of put them inside the vase and give off a really beautiful soft glow. And you could leave it like this. You could put a battery operated tea light or votive candle inside here with, as well as with the lights. Really, you can do what you want, but I just loved the glow of these little lights. And then I just placed the battery pack and tucked it underneath the flowers so you can't see it, but it has easy access to turn it off and on. And to take it to the Easter level, I'm going to put some really pretty little metallic eggs that I found at Dollar Tree as well, and just added the green and kind of the light blue eggs in there, and then put a purple and pink one. And I really like the patterns on the eggs, and just thought it was so cute for Easter and spring, and brings the two elements together. And I decided to place this on my coffee table. I will have an upcoming video on all my little bit of spring and bit of Easter decor I have put throughout my home, but I decided that my coffee table would look really cute. And again, this isn't exactly my vision, but I still think it turned out really cute. I absolutely love it. You could do so many different things, but everything is dollar store, and to be able to do this for under $20, I think was a really good price. My favorite thing about this centerpiece is the glowing lights with the little Easter eggs in the vase. I don't know, I just think it gives a real beautiful glow. And then at night, just the lights are so beautiful. And to find these lights for $1.25, I was blown away to find these at Dollar Tree. And I kind of wish I would have picked up another bundle because I haven't seen these, and they just look really beautiful, and I'm just pleased. I think it looks really cute on my coffee table and was super easy to put together, and you could do this for all different seasons and really make it how you want it to be, and I'm so happy with this. So that is my simple and easy dollar store DIY, my centerpiece, and I really love how it came together. I think it was pretty affordable. The flowers weren't exactly how I had envisioned initially, but I could not find the flowers that I wanted at Dollar Tree or Dollarama, so I had to go with what I had accessible to me. So it's not exactly the vision I had, but I always say this, you work with what you can find and what you have. But overall, I think it turned out really nice, and I liked I was able to utilize the little glass votive vase. Let's not, why am I calling it a votive? I don't know. It's actually a little vase that was given to me with some flowers about a month ago, and it was perfect for what I wanted for this centerpiece, and that you could find pretty much the exact same thing at your local dollar store. And I love how you can change this into an Easter type of DIY or centerpiece by just changing a couple things. So you could do it for spring and you could do it for Easter, and I've incorporated both elements into this. So I hope that you really found it inspirational and that you can tackle your own centerpiece for your house or your home or whatever, you know, wherever you want to put this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please leave me any questions or comments below for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.